Hello, friends. This is Sridhar, and hi. Do you believe in miracles on earth? Yes, sometime we should. I would like to tell you one real story. It's a story of my grandfather. He met with an accident about a year ago. It was a tragic accident, and almost he caught him up. He suffered for about 6 months without any progress in his uh, illness and improvement. Later on, he gone through several operations and medicines. Although he didn't reported any kind of improvement in his illness. Later on, we found it's unsolvable problem. We took him in several hospitals. We saw him in a lot of private doctors. All of them told as his age is 90 plus, so it's very difficult for him to overcome of this problem because his bone was fractured, and for that it is very important to have an operation to fix the bone. But whatever suggested by doctors and the senior medicine hospitals, that because his age is 90 plus, so he is not comfortable for the operation. He is not able to go through the operation because it won't be successful. As they suggested, for operation it is required regularly the body should produce the blood, but as his age is over 90 plus, so he would find it difficult to produce blood his body. And so there are very rare chances, about 10 to 15% chances that the operation could be successful. Otherwise it would be a tragic, tasty over tasty. Even operation, if not successful, then it would only take him to end. Later on, he himself pressurized, and we also thought let's go through the operation, and we took him in a hospital, and he actually gone through the operation about a year ago. But as it was suggested, after a year, day after day, we saw we didn't see any improvements, and even the operation gone worse. So first of all, his bone was fractured, and after that operation was also unsuccessful. So it was a double problem for him. He was struggling so much. But just 15 days, a month ago, even we are surprised to see whatever happened to him, or whatever has benefited him. Even we couldn't understand clearly, but suddenly within a month of the period, his everything got fixed. Means he is able to walk now. His the bone is working properly, and with the help of his stretcher, he is able to walk, and he is reporting no any kind of pain or something. And the operation which was unsuccessful, that is also fixed now, and we are totally surprised how it has happened. But this is the fact, and you can see him in this video further. Now keep watching. On the cart you can see he's very comfortably he's sitting in the cart, and hence it's a very kind of miracle for his life. After 90 years, he is very happy to see that. he is able to live for more longer time. Thank you and see him by your own eyes. Thanks.